We will check the capacitor and the diode. First, make sure you unplug the cable, and then discharge with a needle nose plier. And after that, you have to take those wires out, and then there is a screw right here. You have to unscrew it and then take those capacitor and the diode. This is the diode. We need to take those out too. This is the most dangerous part. It can get shock if you don't know what to do or you don't know how to do it. So let somebody professional do it. Okay, now you would need to take this screw, open this screw. And then to take the diode out. To check the diode, you have to have the multimeter and the diode, and then turn it on, and then make sure you put it on the highest on the ohm meter, 2000K or whatever you have in your meter. It should give you some reading on this right here, and then it goes to infinity like 1, and then when you switch it, it should do the same thing. It should do the same thing. So it means it's holding the charge and discharging. So the capacitor is good, and let's check the diode. Okay, to check the diode, you have to set the multimeter to DC volt, because the diode, it does allow the current flow only in one direction. So let's go put this one like negative on this terminal, and then you have to have the 9-volt battery, and then check it like this. It's not flowing, it's showing the 0. Then if you go opposite direction, it should give you some voltage. You go other direction, it's not allowing the current to flow this direction. So it means the diode is good too.